Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to show you how I'm going to transform this bathroom for one of my friends. I'm super excited to do this project, and the plans that I have for this bathroom are replacing the mirror, add some new light fixture, paint the cabinets in light gray color, and add some wallpaper. And also here's the mood board that I create for this bathroom, so you guys can see what I'm going to do. The first thing we did was removing the mirror and the light so I can add the wallpaper. My husband helped me to do this project. He removed the 4 clips, and then it was super easy to take the mirror off. He also removed the 4 screws that were left, and then I repaired the wall before I add the wallpaper. So I decided to paint the vanity a light gray color because it goes very well with the gold. So the first thing I did, I sanded it down, then I add the first cup of primer and I let it dry, and then I apply the second cup of primer, and after that I sanded it down again, and then I add 2 cups of paint. And the same thing I did for the doors. After my husband removed the light and the mirror, I started applying the wallpaper. I bought this one from Wayfair. I'm going to share all the items that I use for this bathroom makeover under this video. And I love the quality and the texture of this wallpaper, and it was super easy to apply. Make sure you guys clean the wall very well before you apply the wallpaper, and then you just peel it and then smooth everything out, and then with an X-Acto knife you remove the excess of the wallpaper from the edges. After I was done with the wallpaper, my husband helped me to install the new light fixture and the mirror. I love this light because it goes very well with this style. My friend wants something more modern, so I think we got this from Lowe's. It's gorgeous. I love this light. Now it's time to add the final touches to this bathroom makeover. So we put back the cabinets door, and we also replace the handles or the nuts from the cabinets to a gold color, so it goes very well with the rest of the design. We also added to the bathroom a tile ring and a tile hook. We also add some shelves above the toilet, and we bought some decoration items that are going to make this bathroom makeover look beautiful. Now it's time for the review. I hope you guys enjoyed this bathroom transformation that I did for my friend. Here is your new bathroom. I hope you like it.
God, very nice. Everything is amazing. Wow.
Yeah.
It's a real transformation. This is very, very nice. Totally different.
Yeah, right? And just changing a little stuff, just like the light fixture, the mirror, the new faucet.
Faucet, I love this. Wow.
Painting the cabinets, changing the knobs there.
Wow.
Just make a big difference, right?
It's totally different than how it
And I
looks
love
like
the shells,
before.
they're so nice too. Okay guys, I hope you like this transformation that I did for my good friend here. She loved it and I hope you guys like it too. And please, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment if you have any questions. And I see you for the next video. And I hope you like, amiga.
Me encantó, amiga. I love it. I absolutely love it.
Oh, I'm glad you like it. Bye. We see you next